console.log. E.
Oh.
Back. Console.log. Then open parenthesis.
What parentheses?
This one. Shift, then this one. Look what's open parenthesis.
F theta.
Like this one, oh. Shift, you press shift. Press shift, hold. Then you press this one.
Number 9.
Yeah. See, it open. That's an open parenthesis. Then you put a semicolon. This one. Put a semicolon and say hello.
Hello world. I need your word.
How do you know about hello world?
I always see it here before when I make Roblox games for the script fonts.
Okay, so single parenthesis and then closing parenthesis. Single quote and
What single quote?
this one. Look, like one tick.
Okay.
Then yeah, I think enter.
Enter.
Yeah. See, there's a hello world. Look.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, try again. Console log and then other words. Follow what Papa did in the hello world. Okay.
Space.
No, single quote.
Single quote. I put single quote already.
Nope. You press like this. This is a single quote. And you type another like sentence or word. Okay, and then another single quote.
Listen. Single quote. This is single quote.
Yes. No, that's double quote. One single quote only.
Single quote.
Yeah, don't. Yeah. Okay, and then close. Shift.
Have.
Then close. Yeah, that's one. And then enter.
Okay.
Okay. Another. Like how about hello, Mr. Adobo?
Okay, I'm gonna type my own.
Okay. Okay, type your own. Okay. Other words. More. Taranola? What's a taranola?
Okay. Let me try.
Nice.
Okay, turn to that combination.
Okay, you wanna learn another one aside from console.log?
I want to.
You try.
Video.
You try the alert. You try typing alert.
Alert. What's next?
Then open parentheses.
Parentheses.
Open parentheses. No, that's a single quote.
Oh.
Open parentheses.
Oh. Where's the open parentheses?
The 9, right?
Oh yeah, the 9.
Shift 9. Yeah. And then single quote.
Oh,
Single quote only. Okay, and then type anything. And then single quote, and then close parentheses. Yep. Did it do anything?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
It's supposed to do something. Alert. I think you need to put like you need to put something at the back, right after maybe. You see? Yeah. So you need to put a. What's this? I think this is the semicolon. This is what's this? Quote, single quote. Yeah, this is semicolon. This is single quote. Semicolon. Okay, go again. Alert. It's capital letter. Change it to small letter. Alert.
Alert.
Then open parentheses. It should be beside the T, right after T. Okay. Oh, then single quote. Single quote only. Single quote. No, that's the double quote. Single quote. Okay, type your message. Form a word, eh?
Huh?
Just form a word, not like
Gibberish?
random. Yeah, gibberish. Think of a message. Okay. And then single quote. Single quote, then close parentheses. And then semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah, this one.
And
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Semicolon. Yeah.
then
Enter. See? Massive poop is heading towards Earth. Then click enter. Press enter. Go.
Enter.
Button. No. Here. Okay.
okay.
And then it will end the alert. Hit again. Try again.
Let's try. Oops. Alert.
Now you press enter.
Oops. Alert. I mean,
Open parentheses. Semicolon. Oh no. Single quote.
then
Put a message. No bastos ha. Okay, and then
it was you. I'm having a hard time here. Then
no, right after the close there. Then yeah, see? It interacts with you. Alright, cool. So next time we'll exercise again, console.log and alert.
okay, what about that? I saw in the other video you were like